once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Mr. C, and we are dealing with the third equation, the one that involves the square root sign. And obviously these equations have been so common, you usually know that you solve them by squaring both sides. So as a starting point, we are going to have a bracket 2 root 2x minus 1 in brackets, and then we square is equal to x minus 11, and then you square, right? From this step, take note, we are squaring 2 as well as 2x minus 1. Therefore, the 2 is outside the square root sign, therefore it becomes 2 to the power 2, this becomes 4. And then this one becomes 2x minus 1, because power half from the square root and the 2 is going to knock off. The biggest mistake often comes on the other side, where learners will pick it as x squared minus 121. Never make that mistake. You do the full expansion and write it as x minus 11, bracket x minus 11. You've got nothing to lose by doing the full expansion. Now we expand. 4 times 2x, this gives us 8x. 4 times negative 1, this is minus 4, is equal to, and then in the FOIL we will have x squared minus 11x minus 11x, and then plus 121. So if you do the shortcut in expanding, the minus 11x minus 11x will be missing. The next step, we collect our like terms, and take note, the x squared is actually positive on the right, so we can actually bring this one to that side. So therefore our 0 is equal to x squared minus 22x, that is minus 11, and then minus our 8x, and then plus 121, and then plus 4. Now proceeding, this becomes x squared minus 22 minus 8, this gives us minus 30x, and then we have 121 plus 4, this gives us 125, so plus 125. This is equal to 0. This becomes a standard quadratic equation, x squared minus 30x plus 125. The next step, we factor out 0 is equal to, right, this is our x, and then we have our x, because this one is a positive, which means we will have either a negative and a negative, or a positive and a positive. But because we have a negative here, all of them will be a negative and a negative. Now if you check, we need two numbers, we multiply them, we get 125, but if we add them, we get 30. So this is going to be 5 and 25. So 25 times 5, we get 120, 125. Now from here, we will have our x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 25 is equal to 0, which means our x is equal to 5, or our x is equal to 25. Now, many a times, learners will rest here by completing the solution, but it does not end there. You need to perform a check whether x is equal to 5 is correct, or x is equal to 25 is correct. So we substitute the first one. The left hand side is equal to 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1, and then we simplify. We will have 2 times 5, that is 10, minus 1, that is 9, and then 9 times 2, that is going to be 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1, that is 9, and then square root of 9 is 3, 3 times 2, we get 6, that is our left hand side. Checking the right hand side, you see that it will be, our right hand side would be equal to 5 minus 11, this is going to give us negative 6. So therefore, this one is not balancing, and then we cross out. Now let's check what is going to happen with the 25 Now our left hand side using 25, we will have 2 root 2 bracket 25 minus 1. This will give us 2 times 25, that is 80 minus 1, it's 49. And then square root of 49, it's 7 times 2, this gives us 14. Now if you check again on the other part, the right hand side, using 25, this will be equal to 25 minus 11, which is going to give us 14. So therefore, x is equal to 25 will be our correct solution. So if you don't perform the last stage of checking whether these two are all valid, you lose the extra marks. If you practice more on this, you can easily get your 5 marks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos. Thank you very much.